Namaste students. I am going to discuss how to crack NEET within 45 days. Why I am taking to this video because so many students are asking and message me. Is it possible to crack NEET in 45 days? Yes, you can crack the NEET within 45 days. Why we want to crack the NEET within 45 days? We have a clear plan how to study, which are the subjects we give more importance, what are the area we give more importance. All these things are we well planned, we can easily learn NEET and we can crack within a short term. So here I am giving some tricks and methods to learn about the NEET. So first of all, we want to study biology. So biology, we have both the 11th and 12th topics are there. So you want to thorough the 11th and 12th topic based on NCERT syllabus. Based on NCERT syllabus, line by line you can study within 20 days. You can take 20 days, you can complete the biology line by line. And then you can go through previous year questions. If you are going to previous year questions, you can know about which areas they are frequently asking question. They didn't ask the same question, they can slightly change the questions. If you are going to the previous year questions, you get the model, okay, which area they can give more importance, which are the questions they can ask frequently. So all these things you can know. So then you can score 340 plus out of 360. Okay. So if you want to score 340 plus, you want to write previous year questions and mock test. Then only you can score more. So the next you goes to the chemistry. Chemistry we can divide into three. That is organic chemistry, physical chemistry, and inorganic chemistry. So organic and physical is somewhat easy to everyone than inorganic. So you give more importance to this organic and physical chemistry, and less important to gives to the inorganic. If you thorough in inorganic, you can give importance. Then here also we are using previous question, and previous question you want to go through. While you go through the previous questions, you can know that which are the chapters they give more importance and which are the areas they are selected. So based on that you can study, you can score 160 plus out of 180. So in chemistry when you are studying, you take 10 days. So in the case of chemistry, you don't want to go to chapter wise, you want to go previous year questions and selected chapters only you can study, you can score this mark. Then it goes to the physics. In the case of physics, 20 chapters are there, 20 chapters are not easy to learn in a short time. We have another 10 days are there. So in these 10 days, you can go any 10 chapters or some important chapters are there. They are mentioned here. Current electricity, then electrostatics, electric and magnetic field, then semiconductor, solids, kinematics, optics, modern physics. These are the key chapters. They are asking 5 questions from current electricity. Then modern physics they are asking 5 questions. Then electrostatic they can ask 3 questions. Electric and magnetic field 3 questions. Semiconductor and solid state 3 questions. Kinematics 5 questions. Optic 3 questions. Like that, key chapters you can select it. Or otherwise, you can go through only the previous year questions. So that questions you get the model of the questions. Okay, you go through these previous year questions. From the previous questions, which are they give importance, which are the formulas we need. Mainly you want to study formulas. There is a separate formula books are available. So you can go through these formula books, you can study all the formulas. Like that, you can go through, you can score 140 out of 180. Because in physics there are 45 questions are there. Of these 45 questions, 5 questions are very tough level, 10 questions are medium level, and balance questions are, that is 30 to 35 questions are easy level only. So that easy level questions is enough to score more mark to physics. So if you are scoring these, that is 340 plus biology, 160 plus for chemistry, and 140 for physics, you can got a 640 out of 720. So if you got this mark, you can easily go to the government colleges. So it is possible, yes, it is possible, because we have 45 days, each day have 25 hours are there, 6 hours is taking for sleep. If you are going to sleep 6 hours, then balance you have 18 hours. So these 18 hours into 45, there is 8-10 hours are there. So these hours, if you are used properly, each and every hour, each and every minute used properly, you can score this mark. So I give a plan here. We can segregate into 6 hours, 6 hours. We want to divide this 18 hours. So if you are a fresher, you want to attend 6-hour class. Then another 6 hours you want to study. Then another 6 hours is there. Of these 6 hours you can study. You can write a exams, model exams. Then mock test for taking 3 hours. Another 3 hours is there. You take rest 15 minutes rest between each 3 hours or 2 hours, whatever you need, that take your rest. So totally for this break hours we give as 2 hours, and 1 hour is spotting errors. Spotting errors means if you are writing this test, so which are the questions you take silly mistakes or if you predict answer, if you are predicting answer, some silly mistakes are you are done, that you want to correct it. These what are the mistakes you are done, it can be corrected by this 1 hour. Like that you are doing means you can score more. If you avoid mistakes means you can score more. Then we can complete it 20 days for biology, 10 days for chemistry, 10 days for physics. Then 5 days are there. 5 days we want to write a mock test, or otherwise known as a grand test. Grand test means this test is